Converting to KML. Another thing that we can do is we can take our flight that we view in SprayView and we can convert it to a KML file so that we can see it on Google Earth. A lot of times that gives you a little bit better picture of, because you can see the fields and stuff. So I'll start that by opening in an area, and we'll use the same one that we did before. To begin, I really only have to open one area, close that out, and that's the area there. And then I go to the menu and select Create a Project. So left click on Select Area. Now I have the option of all the areas that I sprayed, so I'm going to select the ones that I want to view and open. And here they are. Then I'll save the project, and I can rename this if I want to, but I usually don't. Save it, and then it's important to finish it. So as I go back into that same folder, here's the project we just made. These are our spray areas, the offload here, and the flight data. So I will double click on the project to open. Double click on the offload for the flight data. Select all. Open, and I can play it again if I want to, but it's not necessary. Go to the menu icon and select Convert Spray Data AG-NAV to KML. And here's the name, which is fine. You can rename it if you want to. It's okay. And you can generate a report that I usually don't do anything with this, just use that data. And it's in the process of converting. And I have this little conversion box that says it's completed, so I click OK. And this file will go back into the file on the server where all the other files were, so I can go in there and look at it. So let's take a look. It's in right there, and I'll double click on that to open it in Google Earth. And this blue here, usually that's the drift, and we usually don't look at that. So I can turn it off, spray drift. I can turn off the report, and then usually what we'll look at is the spray points. Spray points here, and you can click on the spray point. It'll give you a readout of what your speed was, how far off track you were, altitude, which is off a little bit. And that's how you view your files in Google Earth.